Hi. In this video, I'm going to teach you what to do or what is ResMed stand. If you have a ResMed CPAP or a bi-level, what do you do in light of the COVID-19 or the coronavirus pandemic? How do you clean it? So I'm on ResMed's website. So just go to resmed.com, and type, and then once you type it, this is going to be on their screen. It'll show up, okay? I want you to click this one that says ResMed's response. You click that. That's not doing anything. Oh, here we go. And it will give you really up-to-date information, which is useful to you. But I want you to keep going down. Now let me show you more. So it tells you all the stuff that you need to do, right? I mean, as far as the different links out to CDC and the World Health Organization and so on. But here is what I wanted you to know. Frequently asked questions in light of the COVID-19, okay? Um, a lot of people in the beginning, when they see a document like this, they sort of get overwhelmed and says, "Oh, I can't do it." And let me show you exactly where I want you to see. Right? This, when they're talking about device mass accessory, they're talking about your CPAP machine. Here, read this thing here. Can my CPAP machine help prevent COVID-19? It tells you the truth. Actually, it does not prevent you from contracting COVID-19, and that is the honest truth. I mean, at least this is the real-time data, the way the CDC is saying it too. Okay. Can I use a CPAP machine as a ventilator just in the event you or a family member whose respiratory um, and your breathing has been compromised due to the COVID-19, and they give you their answer. And the short answer is no, not until you talk to your doctor. And most likely the answer is no. Now, today's date is March 30th, 2020. They are talking about using CPAP in Europe for the treatment for respiratory distress patients with COVID-19, due to COVID-19. You have to understand this. This is at the, um, what do you call it? In a hospital setting, right? Now, inside, let me see if I can show you this. Uh, No, it doesn't tell me here. I know I saw it in here somewhere. Okay. So bottom line is this, right? Is the COVID-19, I'm sorry, COVID-19. Now, the CPAP mask has holes in it, right? Where you feel air coming out of it for your exhalation air, so where your carbon dioxide can escape. Not only that, when you move around in bed, the CPAP mask you will experience some type of a leak. We call that intentional, especially with air coming out of the exhalation vents of the mask. Those are called intentional leak. Those micrometers, the size of those droplets, let's say if you're coughing, right, is big enough for the virus to travel outside. Now, okay, and spread all over the place, all over the room when the mask leaks or air coming out of the CPAP mask. Now, in the hospital setting, the the hospital personnel has PPE, personal protective equipment, right? So they are protected for for a reasonable amount against these droplets floating all over the bedroom. This is not the case at home. You do not have any personal protective equipment. Okay, so the short answer to this is, um, if you're sick, if you think you have the COVID-19 symptoms, call your doctor. Number two, isolate yourself with your CPAP machine into a bedroom by yourself and dedicate a bathroom just for you. All right. But the first important thing, call your doctor. Now, as far as cleaning, let me go back here. I lost my position here. Um, Can it be no, this is not it. How do I disinfect my CPAP machine and mask? Okay. See, a lot of people will not go this far down to find it. And here they tell you how to do it. Just use mild detergent. Now, what in the world is mild detergent? Let me just tell you what it is. Dish detergent, for example, like Dawn, right? That is good enough. Use that. Wash your tubing, wash your humidifier chamber, your tubing at least, just to be on top of things. Do it one, minimum is once a week, but do it 2, 3 times a week. Pick a number and be religious about it. Same thing with your humidifier chamber. Minimum is once a week. Do it 2, 3 times a week. Same thing with your facial mask. Your facial mask, actually, you should wash it every day because it has mucus in it. It has facial oil and sweat. And it tells you here to wipe the exterior of the device with a dry cloth. Now, if you don't have a ResMed CPAP machine or bi-level machine, in the next video, I will show you what to do for if your brand of machine is a Philips Respironics. Okay. Now, this website again, it'll be on the, I'll put the link on the show notes, but all you have to do is go to resmed.com and you will see this. And let me see if I'm trying to back up on this. My computer is a little slow. Yep. And then press this. Okay. A lot of people will just blow this by and just exit out. Don't press this and you will see, you will get a lot of good information. All right. Be safe.